Ding, ding, ding. Pyro's doing round 4, or I'm sorry, round 5 of collectible firecracker packs. Let's get to it. Alligator ICC. Sunbursts. One Phoenix. This one's a DOT. Logo. A different Phoenix. This one's an ICC. Logo. If you can see. No, I'm sorry. This one's stars. The other one's logo. Snowflakes, not stars. And another Phoenix. ICC. And this one is the logo. Okay. Devil. ICC. Quan Hing Tai. Sunburst. And let's do another Devil. ICC. Sunburst and stars mixed. Look at those colors. Beautiful colors. And a different Devil. Not, the other one was Quan Hing Tai. This one's Quan Man Lung. ICC. Sunbursts. Okay, Yankee Boy. A different Yankee Boy. Yet another Big Bang. This one is a different logo than the other 10 billion Big Bangs I've showed you. ICC Warrior. Daisy. Some oldies. These are like soap bar packs, I call them. Beautiful. These are kind of like the Maidens series of crackers. Beautiful. Another Maiden. Macau. Camel. Old Man Pajama Ladyfingers. Different Baby Gorilla. This one's a DOT. Another Camel Lady. Class 2. Also Old Man Pajamas. Another Camel Big Boys. Old version Old Man Pajama. Another type of tiger pack. A different colored jet. I showed you an aqua, a green, an orange. This one's a red. And no, I don't have a brick. I wish I did. Turtle. Logo, but you can't see him through here. Yet another camel. ICC. Old Man Pajamas. Let's do a different Yankee Boy. Yet again, Quan Hing Tai. Logos, as all Yankee Boys are. These are actually a cool logo. Let's do some different Dixie Boys. This one's cool, KHT, ICC, but this one is confetti. Here's some DOT Dixies. Stars. Different size DOT Dixie. Love those kind of stars. Werewolf. I have a couple of these. Logo. Different kind of rocket. Snowflake. Cock, DOT. One of hundreds of different kinds of cock packs I have. German, older. Couple different kinds of tiger head brand. These are hard to find. Confettis. Mini Bomb, DOT Ladyfinger. This one's actually hard to find for DOT. Not lots of these out there. Everybody's seen these. Tiger. What else? Another peacock. This one's clean, different than the last one I showed you. And a different size Yankee boy, ICC. All red. Stripe confettis. No, these are just stripe, no confetti. They're like literal red barber poles. I have this pack too. This one is just a label for some reason, but I have the pack. DOT giraffe. Everybody's got those. Ah, baby gorilla. 240. DOT. What else? Juan Chu by Link Triad. From the DOT era. One of my favorite eras. I think I showed you these before, so nope, we're not doing that one. Showed you those candy bars. Another different kind of ladyfinger, ICC. Oh, this one's marked class 3, 7/8, and 1/6, 80s. Ladyfinger brand. Got lots of different kinds of ladyfingers. Warrior strip, ICC. Stars. Beautiful. Okay, what else? Had a lot of those Bo Beeps. What do we got here? Got tons of those. Another size camel. Is this one a class 2? Yeah, another different class 2. This one has, ooh, green. You don't see the green old man pajamas. These are the old variety. Never see green old man pajamas. That's why I kept this one with all these other ones, because it's different. Okay, now I always like to finish with something cool and crazy. This pack is so old, it predates the 1900s. It's from the late 1800s, late 1860s, early 1870s. These were sold before there were cars. This is before Henry Ford, before the Dodge brothers, before any of that. If you went to a fireworks store to buy this pack, you would be on a horse and buggy. Literally looked like what I call the early soap bar packs. This is technically pre-class 1. It technically is. All right. Now I always like to end with a brick because we're coming up on 8 minutes and I like to do all my collector videos 8 minutes. Let's do a Whistling Jack brick. Yeah. I'm actually probably going to shoot this one. Whistling Jack. Cool. DOT. Thanks, Pyros. Have a great night. More collector vids to come.